Welcome back. Now that you've registered and activated your account, you're ready to start using Property360. Before diving in, it's important to take a few minutes to configure key settings. This will ensure everything runs smoothly from the start. In this video, I'll guide you through those essential settings, step by step. First, click on Settings in the left-hand panel to expand the menu, then select Account Details. Start by updating your basic details. You can enter your business name and ABN number as these will appear on rental receipts. For the office phone number field, you may enter either your mobile number or a landline. Please be aware that if you use your mobile number, it will appear on rental receipts and be visible to tenants. This means you may receive calls directly, including outside of business hours such as evenings and weekends. After making updates to account details, click Save to save the changes. A green tick will appear to confirm that your changes have been successfully saved. Next, open the bank details settings. These details are required in order to generate the ABA file when doing the end-of-month disbursement. The ABA file allows you to process bulk payments, such as owner disbursements, accurately and efficiently. Without it, payments, BSBN account numbers and account names would need to be entered manually, which significantly increases the risk of errors. Trust account details should be entered here. The default payment reference is used during end-of-month process when funds are disbursed and your total remuneration is paid. This reference will appear on the corresponding bank transactions description. Similarly, general business account details can be entered here. One of the main benefits of using this software is the ability to generate ABA files. Please ensure all fields are filled in if you plan to use ABA files to do batch transfers. The default owner payout reference is used during end-of-month process when funds are disbursed to property owners. You can assign custom reference descriptions for each owner in the owner settings, otherwise, this default reference will be applied. You can put your complex name or apartment building name as the default owner payout reference. Click Save once finished. A green tick will appear to confirm that your changes have been successfully saved. In the Advanced Settings section, please review these key fields. GST registration, select Yes if applicable for your business. Default commission rate, this applies to all properties that you plan to add to the properties list. But don't worry, this can be customized to different rates for different properties later. Default admin fee for each property. This can also be customized differently for each property later on as well. Please note that all amounts for commission rate and admin fee are entered pre-GST. To convert a GST inclusive amount to a pre-GST rate, divide the GST inclusive amount by 1.1. For example, your GST inclusive amount is 6.6%. The pre-GST amount would be 6%. The software requires all amounts to be entered exclusive of GST and will automatically calculate the GST for you. These default settings help streamline the process when adding properties, while still allowing individual customization later on. Repair approval limit is commonly set at around $300, but may vary depending on the agreement with each owner. Additional options are available, such as automatically emailing rental receipts to tenants. Click Save once finished. A green tick will appear to confirm that your changes have been successfully saved. It's best to leave these settings as they are unless you are familiar with how they work. The Change Password tab is very straightforward. It allows you to update your password if needed. In the Email Settings tab, add your email signature. Other settings can generally remain unchanged. In this section, you can upload your signature. If no signature is uploaded, receipts will include a blank line for manual signing. Uploading a signature allows receipts to be automatically signed in the generated PDF, saving time. This is just for peace of mind for the tenant. You do not need to use your real signature. In this section, you can upload your company logo. Click Save once finished. After completing the upload, select Preview Rental Receipt to download a sample receipt. Please note this is for demonstration purposes only and does not reflect real transactions. That covers the key settings required to get started. After this video, you'll find a short quiz to help reinforce what you've learnt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.